As far as the Bible is concerned, Awake magazine, which is published from the USA, on September 8, 1957, it mentioned that there are 50,000 errors, mistakes in the Bible. Who says that? Awake magazine. It's not a Muslim publication. It's from US and it's a Christian publication backed by those people who are Christian missionaries, and they agree that the Bible has at least 50,000 errors. Then there is a book which is very popular. If you go on the internet, just type 101 contradictions in the Bible. The Bible has verses which contradict with each other. So these days, unfortunately, we have some very popular Muslim speakers, one in Texas, one in Canada, and very unfortunately, they give a statement or give a talk wherein they are trying to say, well, this is a very academic subject, and the academic side, the scholarly side, this discussion shall be done only there. Our scholars agree there are variations in the Quran, there are differences. No. What are you talking? You being a Muslim, what rubbish is this? And then you have a big fan following, you have a huge fan following. Now you're giving a stick in the hand of the opponents to beat your back to say, well, your Bible and the Quran stand on the same line. And then there is somebody who says, no, see, these differences are very small differences. Actually, it's not differences. So the Christian missionaries are saying the same thing. They're saying, yes, this is what we're talking about the Bible. No. It's not like this.